In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Project. By the end, you'll know how to control exactly how much of your schedule you see on screen, especially in time-scaled views like the Gantt chart. First, a quick mindset shift. In Microsoft Project, zooming doesn't make text or icons bigger like it does in Word or Excel. Instead, it changes the time scale across the top of the chart. When you zoom in, you're telling Project to show smaller time units, so taskbars stretch out and you see more detail, like days or even smaller intervals. When you zoom out, the time scale compresses and you see a wider span of time, such as weeks or months, which is perfect for big picture planning. To get started, make sure you're in a view that actually uses a timescale. The Gantt chart is the most common one. If you can see dates along the top and taskbars across the grid, you're in the right place. Now go to the View tab on the ribbon. In the Zoom group, you'll find the core controls. Click Zoom in to show finer detail, which moves you to smaller units of time and elongates the taskbars so you can see more granularity. Click Zoom out to pull back and see a broader time range at once. If you want precise control, open the timescale drop-down and choose the unit you want: days, weeks, months, and so on. This is especially handy when you know the level of detail you need, like switching from a monthly portfolio view down to a weekly sprint view. If you prefer something quick and visual, look to the bottom right corner of the project window. There's a zoom slider you can drag left or right, just like in other Office apps. Slide left to zoom out and see more of your project's timeline, or slide right to zoom in and focus on short-term work. Keep an eye on the timescale labels as you drag. Those will confirm exactly how your view is changing. For a fast, no-mouse option, use the numeric keypad shortcuts. Press Ctrl plus the / on the numeric keypad to zoom in, and Ctrl plus the asterisk on the numeric keypad to zoom out. These shortcuts are great for quick adjustments without opening any menus. If you're on a laptop, make sure your numeric keypad or numlock is enabled. That's it. Use the View tab for structured control, the slider for quick tweaks, and the shortcuts for speed, all to tailor your timeline to the level of detail you need.